Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. Today, our group is going to present activities-based costing for Apple Incorporations. Let me introduce our presenter. I am Idina Nora with Shafika Izzati, Christina Fitriani, and Trisha Nazifa.
Hello everyone, my name is Christina Fitriani binti Syahari. So I will explain about activity-based costing (ABC). ABC analysis is an analytical method of stock control which aims at concentrating efforts on those items where attention is needed most. The concept is that a small number of the items in inventory may typically represent the bulk money value of the total materials we'll use in production process, while a relatively large number of items may present a small portion of the money value of store use, resulting in a small number of items can be subjected to greater degree of continuous control. Under the system, the material stock may be classified into a number of categories according to their importance, their value, and frequency of replenishment during a period. Activity-based costing has three categories. The first one we may call it as Group A items. Group A items may consist of only a small percentage of total items handled, but combined value may be a large portion of the total stock value. The second category is Group B item. Group B item may be relatively less important. The last one is third category, Group C item. Group C item, all the remaining items of stock may be included, which are quite large in number but their value is not high.
My name is Trisha Nazifa binti Suhaimi and I will be presenting about Apple Incorporation Introduction. The activity-based costing system can be utilized for the targeted reduction of overhead costs. This costing system is ideal for complex environments such as Apple Incorporation due to the machineries produce merchandises that make it complex to sort out.
Activities-based costing begins by identifying the cost that needs to be allocated. After that, secondary cost pools should be formed for the cost earned to offer facilities to other parts of the firm. The secondary cost pools include salaries, computer service among others in Apple Incorporations. Then, the company creates primary cost group for those expenses that are more associated to the manufacturers of goods and service. Apple Incorporation's distinct cost group for each merchandise line manufactures due to this cost tend to arise at this stage of the activities-based costing. To further, the company then measures activities driver. To achieve this, the company utilizes a special data assembly system to gather data concerning the action driver that are utilized to distribute costs in the secondary cost pools to the principal cost pool. After that, the costs are fully allocated. It is required that the result of the activities-based costing systems are used to formulate report to be used for managerial decisions.
Activity-based costing provides numerous benefits. Apple Incorporation benefits a lot from using this system. One of the main benefits that Apple enjoys from using this system is greater costing accuracy. Apple Incorporation can assign cost only to the products that need the activity for production. This way, the company is able to eliminate allocating of irrelevant costs to the production of a good or service. The ABC allocates indirect costs to a project based on the cost driver or the aspect that generates the cost. Since the costs are allocated based on the product, the management can identify business processes that are performing and those that need to be improved. ABC costing analysis enables managers in Apple Incorporation to identify non-value supplementary undertakings and also to allocate better scarce capitals to resourceful and cost-effective activities. An ABC system also helps identify wasteful products in the production process. The ABC system accounts costs in the same manner production is performed, allowing Apple Incorporation to comprehend better whether overhead costs are used. This information can help the company to identify wasteful products and unnecessary costs. This way, the company can utilize resources productively.
My name is Nur Shafika Izzati and I will proceed with the disadvantages of ABC. So the company needs to hold a strong organization structure. For a multinational company operating in diverse markets such as Apple, the company needs to hold a strong organization structure. Multinational company must have a high quality standard to enable consumer to identify the business entity. The cost management system not only provide important information that assists multinational firm to develop product and offer service that meet quality standards, but also help to reduce the overall cost. So as for next disadvantages is prove not to be effective in the global context. Activity-based costing may prove not to be effective in the global context because of its complex nature. The implementation of ABC system is quite expensive and require a lot of time. Therefore, it may be time-consuming and expensive for the company to collect data, evaluate, and enter into the new system. So last but not least, reports that are generated using the ABC system have information that may be different from the information that is converted using the traditional cost method. Some activity-based expenses may not be relevant in the global context, especially in decision-making situation. For example, the ABC does not know to accounting canons and it is not suitable for outside reporting. Due to the fact that traditional figures have been used widely, it may be confusing to interpret ABC data and thus may be result in bad decision making.
The method used to measure, calculate, and present cost that is important as it helps in making managerial decisions. Such decisions made by the management will have an impact on organizational goals. The activity-based costing system also assigns costs in the organization.